Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. Let's talk about the final analysis of 22nd of March 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to start today's discussion from Great Britain Pound USD. This is the third signal of my signals report. Okay, so I have supplied the bearish signal from 141418 and you can see that we have a shooting star appeared on that signal. And first of all, in the early session of the day, Great Britain Pound USD was going up and it was a deception from the market movers, and finally it has taken a U-turn in the form of shooting star and it has break the entry 141418. So after this you can see that it has just went near to the targeted price 140684. So this is a satisfied signal and this is what we called a proper U-turn, and hopefully if you have taken the trade as per the U-turn you must be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another trade which has responded in the early session of the day is USDJPY 105806 was the bearish entry from my side, and you can see a clear breakdown from this level, and we have a very good breakdown here, and right from the entry it had started to make a bearish pattern and it has finally even went beyond the barriers of 105560. You can see the both levels are attached on my chart and the market has went down even below that barrier. So hopefully if you have traded this one you should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD. Let me switch my signal here. So I was turned bearish from bullish on AUDUSD. 0.774757 was the entry, and you can see that this is the small U-turn taken on AUDUSD today, and after that we have received a massive downfall on this pair and it has touched the targeted price 0.77037. So guys, no trade should be more triggered on this pair. Now I will supply you with another signal tomorrow and hopefully we will do our best with the next signal, but right now it's making the bullish pattern from the oversold levels. So but you know that we trade on the basis of signal, so our signal has already expired. Okay, now let's talk about the second last pair of the day, which is USDCHF, the very next signal to the AUDUSD. Just a second please. Okay, this is the right chart. 094878 was the bullish entry from my side, and you can see a very clear bullish pattern. It has taken a U-turn. First of all, the market kept itself below that barrier throughout the morning, and then in the late session of the day we have received a bullish boost, and finally USDCHF has crossed 094878 and it's on the way towards 095180. So I have closed the trade at my end, but however if you have taken the profit already, so you need to exit, because these trading suggestions are based on the hourly chart, and if you have caught this much profit then it's enough for taking a buy position. At last, I'm going to talk about the last signal that is satisfied today is Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, a massive drop has appeared on Great Britain Pound JPY today, and I have already predicted this thing in the morning. 149713 was the bearish entry from my side, and you can see that right in the form of shooting star we have received a bearish signal at the top, and finally Great Britain Pound JPY is already down. It has went below 148789. Right now it's making a bullish pattern, but we do not care about this one because we have set we are already done with our signal. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, you can see a trading system is attached on the chart. So sell in the top red boundary with confirmation. What the confirmation is called, like look at here. First of all, the market makes a boost and then we have start receiving bearish candles, then the market is down, like it happened today on Great Britain Pound JPY. The market went up and then we have received a downward momentum, and then it entered into the oversold level, and then it has received a bullish boost. So this is how we use a trading system. Moreover, when the scalper points you with a red arrow at the overbought levels, we can sell the pair with confirmations. Confirmation is very important. We cannot fully rely on the indicators. We need to have a confirmation. If we do not have a confirmation, we cannot trade only on the basis of indicator. So here, for example, let's say we have a confirmation here on Great Britain Pound JPY. We have a 1 hour boost, so the next hour candle is going up. This is what we called a proper confirmation. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. If you are looking to subscribe to my daily signal service, if you want to get the trading system that I have already explained, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to email me on this email, info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.